Hi, what's up? This is Holly, and I'm just chilling with Unproductive TV, and I'm about to eat some Asian snacks. Let's start with the yan yan. Now, if you know the name of these, please correct me in the comments because I can't promise you that I'm going to pronounce them correctly. But okay, guess we're doing this. This is what we're doing. Okay. It's almost like Nutella, but like more chocolatey and less hazel. But it's kind of like, it's good. I'd eat this. This is like pregnancy craving stuff. I like that. The yan yan, I like it. These are good. Okay. Now time for some salty. The nori maki rare. I don't know if I said that right, but you can correct me in the comments. Rice crackers wrapped in seaweed. I've never had seaweed before. This one I'm kind of scared to try. Oh, it smells gross. It smells like fish food. Oh, it smells like dog food, like pet food. Kind of tastes like sushi, but like in a cracker form. It's weird. I definitely would not go out and buy these. Yeah. I don't know about those. The rice crackers wrapped in seaweed. This don't taste like a human should be eating it. It tastes like it'd be for your pet. Next, I'm going to be trying watermelon soda. Never mind. I was about to say something that I was not allowed to say. Ew! Watermelon does not belong as a soda. The SFC unleashed the watermelon. No, we should not unleash that hoe. That needs to stay. Stay a fruit. Do not bring watermelon to soda because that does not taste right. Moving on to this other drink while that's getting open. I'm not ready to try that yet. Rice punch. So let's do Pokies. Pocky. However you say it. How do you say it? Do you say it Pocky or Pocky? Let me know in the comments. They are strawberry, crunchy strawberry. I've had Pokies before, not this kind, but I've tried the like vanilla ones. They were okay. And I just can't open that thing today. Okay, we got it open. It's like strawberry milk, but like in a solid form, not a liquid form. Conpei 2. If you know what these are, Please let me know. Because I don't know. Sugar flavored. I don't even know what it is, but we're gonna try it. It looks like some type of candy. And it's some type of candy. It's like Nerds, but not like sour. You know how Nerds can be kind of sour? It's like the texture of Nerds, but it's just sweet. But not something I would crave. Not something that I would go out to buy to snack on. Let's try it. We finally got it open. Ew! Why does it taste like beer? Like, this has no flavor. There's no sugar in this. Like, this literally tastes like beer. Yeah, it has no flavor. Or like those White Claw drinks that, oh, yeah, the carbonated soft drink. No. Just no. I didn't like it. Okay. Try the gummies. Pretty sure these will taste like fruit snacks. What are they called? Casagai is the brand. I don't know what that says. Lychees. Oh, they're in these little packages. That's cute. Tastes like medicine. Like. The gummy part is good, but the strawberry flavoring, not a fan of. Peppero. Oh. So yeah, the strawberry, the strawberry gummy candy is a no for me. I like it. Next, Pepperos, which basically just looks like chocolate and biscuit, chocolate and a biscuit. White cookie. I feel like these are gonna be good because it's like cookies and cream. Not what I was expecting. They're not bad, but they do not taste like what I was expecting them to taste like. The Pepperos, they're cool. It's good. It tastes like cookies and cream on a stick. I don't know. Okay, last we have the Rice Punch. I'm not ready for this one. Shikai. Although, yeah, if I'm saying it wrong, please let me know in the comments. But sugar, rice, malt, ginger extract, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay. Ew, it smells bad. Smells like gross dishwater. Like when you do the dishes, like and you left them in there with the food. That's what it smells like. I don't know why I keep smelling it, but I'm trying to describe the smell. Okay. It tastes like something that I've had before, but I can't think of it. But it does taste weird, like, but not a bad weird. Yeah, I wouldn't sit there and like, it tastes like tea. Like, it tastes like sweet tea. But I wouldn't want this kind of sweet tea. I'd want actual sweet tea. But yeah. Alright. This is the rice punch. Didn't like it, but it wasn't like nasty. It's just not my cup of tea. I'm Holly. This was Productive TV, and I just ate some Asian snacks, and they was like